there I want us to convert 0.2 kilometers to meters. So what I'm supposed to do is I'll just first of all ask myself, what is it that I'm looking for, and what is it, what unit, from which unit to what unit. So in this case, I'm coming from kilometers going to meters. So now, and upon understanding that, then I must know what is the conversion factor, or rather the conversion unit from kilometers to meters. Once I understand that, then it becomes quite visible and be able to convert the given figure. So what you're supposed to do is, since I know that 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meters. So now, what I can do is simply say I need to have two kind of conversion unit, okay? Two kind of conversion unit. So this means that I can say 1 kilometer over 1,000 meters, okay? Or 1,000 on top over 1 kilometer at the bottom. So this is just the way of just flipping the two conversion factors depending on where we are coming from and where we are going to. So now I'm coming from kilometers. The question is coming from kilometers going to meters. So this means that which of the two conversion factors or unit am I going to use, okay, based given this problem. So if that is the case now, then I'm just going to choose to say you get what you have been given, okay? So you say get what you have been given. So get what you have been given. So in that case, I've been given 0.2 in kilometers. So I'll get that. Now, after you grab what you have been given, as in terms of the question, what the question is asking you. So what you're supposed to do is now you look at the two possibilities, okay? I've got 1 kilometer divided by 1,000 meters, or 1,000 meters over 1 kilometer. So this means that I have to choose one of the conversion factor, okay? So if I was going to choose a conversion factor, then I look at, once I multiply the given question, which is from 0.2 kilometers to meters. So I must choose something that when I multiply with a conversion factor, it must cancel each other in terms of the unit, so that I remain with the meters. Okay, so I multiply. So if I multiply with this one, then it's not gonna cancel, okay? It will not cancel, because I want something which will kind of divide or cancel the kilometer on top and then the kilometer at the down. So when you look at this one, when you multiply 0.2 kilometer, okay? Since I'm going from kilometers to meters, then this isn't cancelling, okay? This is not cancelling. So now if it is not cancelling, then this conversion factor cannot be used, because I'm coming from kilometers going to meters. So now I needed the other way around, so that I can cancel the kilometer as a denominator, as well as the kilometer as the kilometer as a numerator, as well as the kilometer as a denominator. And if that is the case, then that's the only way I'm able to convert from kilometers to meters, given this question that convert this 0.2 kilometers to meters. Okay, so because when why this one is not working out is that when I multiply this times that, I'm just going to get, okay, maybe I'll just get 0.2 kilometer multiplied by over. Okay. So this and this is not cancelling, just a kind of a multiplying again. So this will give us 0.2 kilometer squared over 1,000 meters. So what I've just done over there is that there is actually nothing that I've done, because I'm not solving the question, or I'm not giving the answer in kilometers. I'm just complicating the problem. Okay, so given that case, it is not possible to do that. So what you're just supposed to do is you use the other conversion factor, which is 1,000 on top and then 1 kilometer at the bottom, and that way it will cancel each other. So now, having done that, then you can say this cancels that. Okay, so this is a kind of like you put over 1 there just to make things look so simple and direct. Okay, not confusing. So this can just be 0.2 kilometer multiplied by 1,000 meters over this one multiplied by 1 kilometer. So you just get 1 kilometer. And then you look at now what is the common unit. Okay, so the common unit here, which is down the denominator and on top the numerator. So this cancels, this cancels. So this will give me 200 meters. Okay, so that's how you're supposed to solve the or rather convert from kilometers to meters using this simplest form of or way of converting units from one unit to the other unit. So you're supposed to understand what is it that